From the Mementoes and English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. October 2nd, the Unity of Christendom. St. Thomas More, 1535. Quote, "Since I am condemned, and God knows how, I wish to speak freely of your statute for the discharge of my conscience. For the 7 years that I have studied the matter, I have not read in any approved doctor of the church that a temporal lord could or ought to be head of the spirituality. For one bishop of your opinion, I have 100 saints of mine. And for one parliament of yours, and God knows of what kind, I have all the general councils for 1,000 years. And for one kingdom, I have all the kingdoms of Christendom. I say further, that your statute is ill made, because you have sworn never to do anything against the church, which through all Christendom is one and undivided, and you have no authority, without the common consent of all Christians, to make a law or act of parliament or council against the Union of Christendom. The true reason for my condemnation is my unwillingness to consent to the king's second marriage, but I hope in the divine goodness and mercy, that as St. Paul and St. Stephen, whom he persecuted, are now friends in paradise. That as St. Paul and St. Stephen, whom he persecuted, are now friends in paradise, so we, though differing here, shall be united hereafter. I pray God to protect the king and to give him good counsel."